Shattered remains of once great cities. These silent highways lead to halls of stone. Every horizon sees it closer now. I venture onwards into the unknown, and my calloused hands I've learned to weather and withstand the tribulations of this land in which I strive. Someday the rains will come and wash it all away. The heart of the wasteland will awaken on this day. Someday the rains will come and wash it all away. The heart of the wasteland will awaken on this day. Tin cans and bottle caps and twisted steels. This world's seen better days, I'm sure. But I'd give every withered wealth I've found for just a glimpse of something pure. But my wasteland soul never will be truly home. My only remaining goal now to survive. Someday the rains will come and wash it all away. The heart of the wasteland will awaken on this day. Someday the rains will come and wash it all away. The heart of the wasteland will awaken on this day. Awaken on this day. The heart of the wasteland. 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 Out into the wild, indigenous.
Yes, that's enough. Hello. I'll try to fix my camera without having the cameras. There we go. For better. But yeah. They're actually gonna continue with this. I thought I was done with it, but I figured nah. I can upgrade it a bit. This meaning I'm gonna upgrade the check word part of it. And try to make it a little more, not verticile is probably not the right word, but trying to make it work better, more better loading. Because I've found that it just gives the same, even if you have completed the words several times and you understand the word, it still can appear. And that's what I'm gonna try to not do. Word class. Word class gonna have a public int completed times that's equal to 0 at base. Or we're gonna say that on the creation of it completed times is gonna be equal to 0. Which means This is the words. And I'm duplicate this when I make a words. Words all. It's all gonna be an array, but actually I'm gonna make this one to a list. With new list word class. Words. Oh yeah, we're still gonna use words and use count instead, of course. Wait, this is gonna be actually words all dot length. Words all. Then we have words. This thing, and then we send in the words all here. So what we're gonna do is, like, when I complete like 3 times or so, it's just gonna remove it from the list. Because there's no reason to try to learn the same word that you already understand. Like if you get it correct 3 times in a row, you probably understand it. It's gonna be words.count though. So this and this. And that's all the ones I want. Now we're gonna do get words are done with, same with start. I'm not trying to do anything with show answer either, or not with new word, not check correct in a row. What we're gonna do is if it's wrong or right, that's it. I like pretzel. Seems nice. So what we're gonna do now, if we get it green, we can have words. Get. Problem now is that we also need to have the. Let's add that int current index equal to 0 and next index. What we're gonna do, go into new word. Hey Brico! How you doing, buddy? So. What am I doing? Yeah, I was doing indexes because I need those. I don't remember which game this song was about, but it's pretty nice. I accept it. Current word is equal to this. Next word is not equal to that. Else it's gonna be word And we're gonna do current index is gonna be equal to random. Then we do next word. No, wait. Current index is going to be equal to next index. Here we go. Current. No. Next index is equal to random here. That's it. Next index always updates. Current index gets a random or what the next index had. Continues. Then we got the index of the itself. We're gonna go back to that though. Then we're gonna do words current index dot completed times plus plus. Here we're just gonna set it to 0. That's it. And then we do here also we do if this is greater than, let's put a constant int times completed. It's gonna be equal to, like, let's put 3. Completed arrow before it's greater than 3. Oh wait. Times completed. If it's greater than times completed, we're just gonna do words dot remove at and current index. And then after this we're also going to do a if words.count is less or equal to 0. Words is going to be equal to that thing with get words. Just put all the words back in the right into the list. We're done. Like I said, yeah, it's not going to be a pretty code or anything, it's just going to be functional, because I'm probably going to use it once more in my lifetime and I'll be done with it. Eventually I might throw it up so people can download it if they want to, but I'm not really sure. I don't know about that yet. So, what's next? Yeah, now I got this, but I also think I'm gonna... Actually, I don't have to. I don't have to do anything with the current version of this one, so this should technically be okay. Let's try. So let's create a new one. Oh wait, we got this one. We got no words in it, so let's put. Do that. Start Finland. Ah yeah, I got that one of course. I got... This is a bit troublesome though, because I got... this one. Greater or equal. Which actually work because if it goes over count is still going to return to 0. And 0 then the last word would. So technically it would still work because it only changes word if it's more than one word left. Yeah, it keeps going the same one. This one. Index follows range, negative and less than size of collection. I'm just gonna remove this. Yeah, so it kind of works. How did I do this focus system? Let's just remove it from all of these places. Just have it at the end of the update instead. Because there was something my friend complained about, that it just jumped out of the focus all the time. You know, this was actually made for an OST for a game. I believe. Let me check. Yeah, it's made for the 7 Days Long Gone. The official theme song made that. He's a nice guy. Also, TwitchCon in Berlin is apparently selling tickets now. Would be nice to go to, but I decided I'm probably gonna go to ESA instead. European Speedrun Assembly. But yeah, I think that was what I wanted to do. I just wanted to remove that. There can actually be more than one. Or you don't have to do the same word over and over again. That's it. What should we do as next then? I'm gonna build it and then we're gonna be done. I wonder where that got compiled. Software, unit projects. This. Nope. Oh, here. Nope, this is the old one. Let's go. Build settings. Build, where do you go? Oh, yeah, it changed something. Only the things that's new build. Oh, slow. Let's open the other project then. The one with a bunch of random mechanics testing. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I want to try, like, there's some way to do like a tree build that actually like branches out and all that. So let's make a new one. Tree. Let's create a new scene. Just call it tree, go in here. And we're gonna start with creating. Okay, create a cube, that's it. Reset it to 0 position. Yes. Gonna get it down a bit. 0.1, 0.1, and then like that's actually 0.2, 0.2. Quite a nice. Actually, we're gonna do also, to make it simpler, we're gonna make pivot. Reset this one to center position. Take a cube. Put it as a shell pivot and just pull it up. Nope, did not work. Okay, now we go back to 0. Let's make a terrain. Just for fun. Terrain. We don't need a big terrain. We need to something like 50 times 50, I think. Simple. Cube on. Let's make a game of it. What I'm doing. Reset it and put 5. 5. I forgot to do this. Find the center. The cube is still gonna be. It's gonna be the root. This is the root where everything will start, so let's make a script. Right, let's now I'm gonna rename this branch. Put in here. Delete it from here, we don't need it there. Create script. Also called tree. The problem is now I need to get the ends. Actually, I could do it like this. Let's take back the branch. I'm gonna make this as simple as possible. Gonna get 2 empty game objects. Okay, let's go into prefab editor and add them. Get empty. So top and bottom. So yeah, this is gonna be 0.5 there. It's gonna be minus 0.5. Now if we even rotate this, go back here before. Here also is this top will still be there and the bottom will still be. Both facing the right way. Delete it and try it there. Oh, we got the branch. The branch is gonna get on its own script. Branch. Actually, we need to open it in prefab editor once more. And this one just gonna have public vector 3 or transform vector 3. Now transform top and bottom. Don't need none of behavior. We don't need shit actually. We need that one though for the transform, but still. That's it. We're in trees. Let's start with what do we need? We need a public branch can be the branch. Just to start with. The open prefab with the branch. Ah. Okay. And the behavior say branch. Nesting. Wrong. Top and bottom. Wolfman's song.
There are some who are born distinguished. There are some who are raised in praise. But me, I was always the last in line. In my savvy with the sword. But this game we all play is
Go. Branch with top and bottom.
ways and sly is this
Go through it. Now take a branch.
tricks of romance degraded by their
We're going back in tree. Now we're gonna do a bunch of other things. We're gonna do public int is this term? What's the word I'm looking for? Steam. Stem. How do you pronounce it? Something like that. It could be like tree. It's like the length of the. Let's start by doing that. Void create stem.
juicy and ripe. With a clink of a coin, loose the lion's loin. Play a tune on the half man's pipe. Or I made a promise, sinking deeper into danger every day. Cut through all their shit with a brazen wit, molding puppets from their minds of clay. I'm no man of honor, myself is
It's my true king.
but somewhere deep
For int cnt is equal to 0. Cnt is less than stem. Cnt plus plus.
but my reach is long, and the ravens black against the winter's mist are whispering.
And we're also gonna have one. What can be public? Gonna be Victor tree. Actually, oh yeah, still gonna make the vector tree height here. Gonna be equal to vector tree, new vector tree. Zero, 0.5 and 0. No. It's gonna be equal to something else. And height's gonna be equal to transform that position.
Like a comet we're on, while gravity bound. In the big black and
Branch, current branch equal to instantiate branch as .get component. the one I wanted. Current mass that transformed of position is equal to height. Height is going to be equal to current branch dot top dot position. Here start and get 3 in a row. Should. Let's check that out if that works. I do some. They have changed the system. Seriously, only one. I have no idea how this works, so I have to check this out. Not now. We got stuff to do, things to play, you know. Anyways, let's start this. No. Whoops. Of course, to avoid start, I'm going to create Steam. Create stem. How do you pronounce that? Seriously. Oh, everybody. What? It should be normal position, just not position. Oh. I should this one. Isn't it? Oh yeah, poof. Forgot the semicolon. Height plus current branch that transform that top. Current branch that top but local position. There's some math, vector 3 math I'm just messing up with right now. There we go. They're out pretty tall. Now what we're gonna do on the last one. Oh yeah, also gonna do. After this, we're gonna do current branch that transform dot set parent equals to transform. Yes, I get everything in one position, so it doesn't feel like boom. But yeah, what we're gonna do now is if I was going somewhere with this. I had a plan. Yeah, if CNT is +1 is equal to stem, I'm gonna send a function here actually. I'm gonna do public void branch out. Current branch dot branch out. And else we're gonna do this. So that means now this is gonna take in transform. No, it's not gonna take the root. We don't have to take the root. Actually, we have to take the branch last parent branch. We're gonna take in. That's it. Come on. Actually, we're gonna have some current branch in there. Oh, actually, we don't have to do that either because it's gonna set it itself. It's gonna be the parent branch for all the other. What we're gonna do instead, we're gonna do void void branch. Let's call it branch out here as well. It's gonna now take in. Just gonna take the branch, current branch though. Why? Because why not? Why? No, but actually I'm gonna take in because I need to get hold of it. Because to get the top position. Now we're gonna add Try to moderate everything at the same time. Anyways, card branch, yeah. Then we go to Paris position. Now. Now I need to connect the top position and the next bottom position. I'm gonna do a random dot range 0 to 4. It's not gonna be. It's now gonna be the amount of branches. So we're gonna do int branches. It's gonna be equal to that. So if branches is greater than 0, I'm gonna do stuff. We're gonna do another for loop. The int cnt is gonna be 0. Cnt is gonna be less than branches. Cnt plus plus. Actually, we're just gonna do return if it's less or equal to this one. Otherwise, it will continue. Continuation will now do. Let's see. And get a random rotation. Rotation is something I'm not very happy to play around. I'm definitely not happy to play around with. Let's start this and I'm gonna take this top branch. If I rotate it on X, yeah, I'm gonna take a bit on X, a bit on Z. And I don't need to really. What I'm actually gonna do is we're also gonna do a float rotation. This is gonna be. I have to check that again. Because I think X is the one that tilts it. So this tilts, yeah. This one does the weird points. Or is it this? Yeah, these ones are gonna have. Not gonna touch Z. Z actually is gonna be stationary. So what we're gonna do is float rotation is gonna be equal to 360 divided by branches. This will now give us the, or give me the rotation around. So it's gonna be rotation Y. Then we have a float rotation X. It's just gonna be like a tiny bit rotation, like 20 or something. So then it just adds rotation, rotation, rotation. So what we do here now then is we do. Let's actually start to look at this one. Put there. So what we're gonna do is we do this same thing. Be right back. Yeah, it didn't take that long. We're just checking something in the kitchen. So, yeah, we got the brunch. I wonder if I had to remake the. I think I'm gonna remake that one. Let's go back here and go into this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this out, jump to it, delete this one. Actually, make a crate there. We're gonna increase in size quite radically. Down here. I'm actually gonna put the branch on this one. If you create another one here, just put this at this top. It doesn't really matter which. Oh, we don't rotate the spear, we rotate the branch. Where did this go? One point one. Take this one there. What if we can just delete this one? And 0 there. What I'm simply gonna do is this, pull this out. There's not gonna be 1.1.1. Actually, I will make collide. Put the branch on here, pop out and actually top needs to be on this. Bottom doesn't need to exist anymore because this is the bottom. There on the bottom. Branch, which then will. Let's add. Branch is now going to be rotated. This and not like this. We duplicate this one, not that, this one, this, that, this one. There. 0, 0. Drag it out. Really curious if this is gonna work. Not this one, this is not gonna reset. This is the one. Got it. Gonna reset the rotation and the position still gonna be. I guess that's gonna be 0. We'll reset. Remove you. And we add a new create empty. We have to do some math instead. Oh shit. Oh, bottom there. Destroy burn. So, how to do this now then? Let's just add start with adding current parent branch. Current branch dot transform dot Euler angles equal to new to 3. I'm just gonna add rotation x, rotation y times c and t in that one. Then we do current branch dot parent set dot transform dot set parent is equal to current branch dot parent branch parent transform dot parent. Because I don't want to set it to I don't think I want to do that at least. I can still remove this just to check, but I think it will deform. I just gotta test it for funs. Oh. Oh yeah, current branch dot transform dot position is equal to parent branch dot transform dot top parent branch dot top position, and then plus this, of course. Let's try this again. Yeah, so this is why I not want to set it as a branch child. I'd rather set it something that's like not rotated at all or anything. Yeah, so this is the problem now. Does it keep just going 1? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it looks cool and all, but what I would like it to have is I'd like it to have some. Yeah, so it goes around like this. Let's go into the Google. Oh, we got some code here, let's try that. What we're gonna do is call alignment. Current branch is the parent. Current branch dot bottom is the pawn, and then we got parent branch dot top. Dot transform. Whoops. Yeah, what we're also gonna do before we do anything else, we're gonna rotate it. First rotate, then align. See what happens if we do this. I haven't checked very much. I don't think I want the rotation, because I want to keep the rotation that I set it. This, almost. This is what like to happen. But what if I do... If I take the bottom one, moves it to the world position of the top one, I save the vector tree. Let's try this. It's nice and all, but it doesn't really do what I need to do. I could do... Let's do a vector tree different be equal to tier 1 component minus tier 2 component. Actually, that's this position minus tier 1 C that position. Then we do just tier 1 P. Transform that position is plus equal to difference. Oh, that way I don't need this one. Let's try it before we start to clean it up. I got 0. There we go. Look at that. Walking glorious, eh? No, I'm not having luck to get any higher numbers now. There we go. Like that's doable. I can live with that. Oh, fuck's sake. What's this? Like EMD or something? Oh, this one. This song is absolutely glorious. Yeah, now we got that done, which means we have now set the first, like, branch out. Actually, we could just do this one. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna transform parent, transform parent branch. We need those two. We also need this function, which I can copy over and throw in here. Because I don't feel like making a static function and all that. Then we're gonna copy all of this. Also put it in here. Max branch is also gonna get copied over. Wait, actually I could int max branches. Main branch don't exist. Also game object branch. Oh, this is not. This is gonna be a branch, by the way. Yeah, this now. I could actually just leave this out for now because I need to finish this function. Do the if. Actually, the max power was 1 there. So. I'm gonna do current branch dot branch out. It's gonna be short form current branch max branches. And branch. Oh, what? That's the one I want. Now we're just gonna copy this all over in this function. And now it might crash my computer. Because I have nothing but these two that stops it. Like, it got a bit over. Or what did I get? About 30% chance to continue. And this can be immensely big. So what I'm actually gonna do is do a plus equals them. Actually, I'm gonna do plus rotation x. And let's do x plus rotation x. Because that's always gonna go around this. So if it continues too much, you're just gonna go spin around. Let's see what this goes into. Let's see what to do. Nothing? Yeah. Something at least. doing the wrong one. What was that? Parent. Yeah, we're gonna in branch we're gonna send in the parent because that's always gonna be the parent. Also, because I don't want it to be on anything else than on the root. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. It's still parent. That's not right. Oh. Whoops. There we go, there we go. Let's increase the chance for branches to sprout. Greater or equal to 1 and just increase it to 10. Oh, I put this the wrong way. This is the way we're gonna be. Now that should not at least try to get more branches. God damn it. I'm not having luck with this at all. I'm really having shit luck. Did I get the crash now? I think I got the crash. Shite. I don't think I should have an infinity loop somewhere. I should probably make a stop. Let's do that. Let's go into here. We have to kill this. Okay, maybe it was just a crash. Oh, anyways, let's work this.
I came into this country to live a life of trouble, but ever since I got here, man, my blood pressure has doubled.
Okay. There's no fix available. Just crashed otherwise. Anyways, let's go back into there, but we have to do stop somewhere. So let's do another one of here. Sprout. Let's sprout mansion. Let's do 10 or something like that. This is now going to be sent into here. And 0. Actually not 0, I put this int max sprouts and int current. Let's see, base is equal to 0. But it's gonna be max sprout branches current plus plus. and current is less than max sprouts. Let's go back here. Max sprouts are. Keeps crashing. Fine. Oh, now it's entirely frozen. Why did it freeze? How far did we even get? Let's put a breakpoint at the first branch somewhere there. That's not right, but this is the one I want. Break. Okay, let's go back in here. Stop this. Oh, we got it. The breakpoint didn't trigger. What? Oh. Put it there instead. Then we start. Okay, F. Something's definitely crashing my shit right now. Just put it there instead. It should reduce the amount of times I will trigger. And there's seriously something wrong with Unity right now. Maybe a bug that fixed an upgrade version. Well, yes, we have to update. Let's see, that's on 8. Yeah, we got one more upgrade. Well, that's gonna be it. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see how it turned out because all of these crashes all the time. Nothing much I can do about it, but this we can't really wait for this because I don't really have anything to draw either. Because I got my sub badges allowed, and I have my one emote. I'm not really sure what else I would do with the emote. So. Probably just gonna stop streaming from here. And I'll gonna pause the music so I can talk properly. And I will catch you all later. That's not my outro. My outro is currently recording. I think so. Anyways, thanks for watching everybody. Until next time. See ya.